Today, we're talking about the SpaceX IPO, possibly the biggest in history. But first, we need to go back.
See, it all started with a near-total collapse. That moment became the foundation for everything.
So, what was built from those ashes? Well, the results are kind of mind-blowing. By 2015, they landed a used rocket. By 2017, they launched it again. Now, over 138 launches a year. And get this, a single Falcon booster has launched and landed 32 times. Just one. Meanwhile, Starlink is beaming internet to 7 or 8 million people straight to their cell phones.
Which leads to this. SpaceX now launches more than every other company on the planet combined.
And that brings us to the big one, the IPO, confidentially filed on April 1st, 2026. The valuation they're shooting for, a staggering $2 trillion. Let that sink in. The plan is to raise an eye-watering $75 billion. To put that in perspective, that more than doubles the old world record from Saudi Aramco. The numbers are huge. Billions in revenue and profit, plus they recently merged with XAI. So yeah, this is way more than a stock listing. It's an impossible dream going public. But hold on, is it a smart investment? Let's get real for a second and talk risks. First, that price tag. At 130 times sales, the stock could be incredibly expensive on day one. Then there's political risk. And remember, as a private company, we're relying on their numbers, no public audits. So you have to do your own homework. Seriously, talk to a financial advisor. But here's the thing. This IPO isn't really about the money. There's a much bigger picture. The whole point of the cash is to fund colonies on Mars, to make us multi-planetary. The same guy who almost lost everything back in 2008 is now designing humanity's future. And it's wild to think this all began with failure, a single corroded nut, a tiny fuel leak.
So, from one failed part to a $2 trillion vision,